sarap ng CPR. Ay, nung rap pala. So, hi guys, nandito kami sa food court. Yan. At kumakain kami ng KFC. Nakikisalo lang ako sa food ni Babe. Meron ako dito, mocha macchiato. Libre ni Babe. Libre again ni Babe.
Sana all.
So, meron siyang sarap ng libre. Ayan. Nakikisalo lang ako sa food niya.
Sana all.
Diba? Nambuburaot lang tayo.
You what? Me too.
No, because you bought that. Me. Yeah.
Fine. Yummy. Yummy. Why that's
Oh my God!
Pause it. I want to buy like a jug of this stuff, man. I love it. Jalapeno sauce.
Babe,
Yes.
spicy, help me. I need CPR. Oh no! I need CPR, babe. I need CPR. I'm spicy.
Sana all.
Put this in your mouth.
Init pa ng kape ko.
Pwede na!
Spicy, babe. Help me, help me, help me. I need CPR again.
Pwede na! Anong ginagawa mo?
Babe, I
I'm
need
out of
CPR.
breath. I'm out of breath. I
I
got
need
this.
CPR. I need CPR. I need CPR.
Pwede na!
Come on. Huh?
I might need CPR again.
You what?
You're loving it, yeah? Ano, pakita mo sarili mo.
I'm loving it.
You're loving it,
Have
yeah?
another bite.
So,
So, CPR again.
oh my God! Wow! Spicy. CPR. CPR.
Ginagawa mo?
Ang sarap ng CPR. Ay, nung rap pala. Ang sarap ng CPR. Ay, nung rap pala.
Pwede na!
Ang sarap ng rap. Rap. Nakaka-addict yung CPR. Ay, yung rap.
Sana all.
Nakaka-addict yung
Tama.
yung rap.
Tama.
Yung CPR. Rap.
I'm not going to give you CPR again. That's enough. Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
You sure?
So spicy.
Anong ginagawa mo?
So spicy.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Another kiss.
kami. Date kami dito sa food court. Nag-date kami sa food court ni Babe. So,
Sana all.
ang sarap ng CPR. Ay, ng KFC. Ang sarap ng KFC. Do you need CPR?
No, I'm fine.
Do you need CPR?
Wow, dude, ang kulit mo.
Just need a drink.
You need a drink. Yeah. So, yun nga.
Ano ginagawa mo?
So, ayan. So, solved na kami. Bye-bye.
Right.
Thank you, babe, sa iyong
It's alright.
Starbucks. Ayan. Sa iyong Starbucks. Thank you, babe.
No problem, sweetheart. Love you.
I love you too. I love you. I love you too. I love me. I love you.
Sana all.
Bago kami magpaalam, please like and share this video and follow our page. Bye-bye, mga mom!